Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk cargo barricade on your Polaris RZR Pro R. Now this is going to help increase your usable storage space on your cargo bed and help secure your items that are in there, whether it's a cooler, camping gear, or anything else. Now, even though you have a barricade on there, you still want to tie everything down. You've got plenty of tie down points to get that done, and that way you don't risk any of that stuff flying out. So with that being said, this is pretty simple to install. It's going to be a similar process for your 2 and your 4-seaters. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out, we're going to use a T40 Torx bit to remove 4 screws from the back of the bed. After that, we have the 2 spacers that are going to go over these middle mounting locations. Then we're going to have one of these brackets on top. So the single mount is going to be facing down and the 2 holes are going to be facing towards the back of the machine. I'll set a washer on top of that. And then you're going to take the longer bolt, or 65mm bolt. We're going to go all the way through and we're going to thread that in a few threads. And all of the hardware we're going to install is going to be left loose until the final step. Now we can set the cargo barricade in place, and we're going to start with the 2 outer mounting locations, and we're just going to reuse the 2 bolts that we previously removed. Now we can take the remaining M6 by 16mm button head bolts, or the 4 smaller bolts. We're going to go through the cargo barricade and through those mounting holes in the brackets we just installed. And then you've got that flange nut or nylock nut on the back side. Once you have all of the hardware installed, you can go through and make adjustments for optimal fit and then tighten everything down. And to tighten this hardware down, we're just using a 4mm Allen and a 10mm combo wrench. The last step is to install the edge trim. So you just want to center this up and press it into place. And if you find any loose points, you can simply pinch this trim together for a tighter fit. And the last tip is you can use a soft face mallet to tap this into place if you need to. That's all there is to installing a Tusk cargo barricade on your Polaris RZR Pro R. If you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need to pick one of these up, you can find them on our website or just click the link in the description below. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, you're going to want to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.